Okay, fine. So question number 2 is write the degree of the following polynomials. Okay, so you have to write the degree of the uh, polynomials. So your first question is 2 by 5 x cube and 2 by 5 x cube minus 7x square minus 1 by 2x plus 3. So can you tell me the degree? What is the degree? Yeah,
It's 3.
yeah,
It's
very
3.
good. It's 3 because its highest power is 3. Okay, fine. And the second part is 2 by 3 x y square minus 5 xy plus 3 by 5 y square x square plus 2x. So what is the degree?
4.
Very good. It's 4. Okay, fine. So now we'll move to question number 3. Identify monomial, binomial and trinomial from the following algebraic expression. So what about question number 1? It is, yeah, tell me.
Binomial.
Binomial.
Okay. And what about second one? Uh,
Binomial.
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 okay. Binomial. And what about third question?
Multinomial.
No.
It is trinomial. Very good. 815, where is your homework? I think you're not done your homework.
I didn't finish it. I joined like today, like at 6 o'clock.
Okay. So you have to complete it by today, okay?
Okay.
You have to complete it by today and send me. And on Monday there will be a test, okay? So be prepared. Okay. And what about question number 4? 536, tell me.
Binomial.
Yeah.
Can I do question number 5?
Okay. Question number 5. Tell me question number 5.
I
It
think
is,
it's monomial.
yeah,
No?
it's monomial. It's monomial because every variable is in multiplication, that only a single, not a single operator is used and it has one term, that's why. Okay. And question number 6.
Trinomial.
Binomial.
I got
No,
multinomial. Is it
no,
multinomial? I got
it's
multinomial.
it's binomial. It's binomial
Wait, how?
because 5x bracket 2x minus 3y is a single term, okay? So it is binomial.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we'll move to question number 4. uh, Using horizontal method, add x square plus y square minus 2xy comma minus 2x square minus y square minus 2xy and 3x square plus y square plus xy. So what is the answer?
I'm not sure how to
Negative
correct.
3xy plus
Plus 2x squared
x to the
plus
second
y
power plus
squared
y to the second power.
plus y squared.
One by one, guys, one by one.
2x squared plus negative 3xy plus y squared.
No, it's negative 3xy. I think
Yeah,
there is
I
some
just wrote I just wrote like in a
yeah, 5 and 5. What about you? Is it 2x square
Negative
plus, yeah,
a
tell me.
negative 3 3xy plus 2x to the second power plus y to the second
Okay,
power.
fine. Okay, correct. And what about second? That is subtract minus x square plus y square plus 2xy from 2x square minus 3y square. So 514. Tell me what is the answer of second part of fourth one. Sorry guys.
Which one?
Question number 4, part number 2. Subtract 828. Open your camera. Tell me. 828, where is your homework?
I'm sending it after class. I didn't get to send it.
Okay. So, tell me the answer of question number 4, part 2. Subtract negative x square plus y square plus 2xy from 2x square minus 3y square. What is the answer?
Oh, I don't see your whiteboard screen.
It's your homework.
Yeah, I know.
And it is your homework, so check your sheet, you'll find. Okay, I think you're not completed your homework, right?
Yes.
You have to complete it by today. Okay, send me after class.
Yes.
Oh, and now open your camera. Who's going to tell me?
I can.
Yeah.
2xy plus x to the second power minus 2y to the second power.
No.
I got 2xy plus
Negative
x
2xy. It will negative
Oh.
2xy plus 3 square minus 4y square. Okay. Okay, what about question number 5? Tell me.
Three AB plus BC minus
Question number 5.
2CA.
No. Question number 5 is using column method, add AB plus 2BC minus CA and 2AB minus BC minus CA.
Wait.
And subtract 4AB plus 5BC minus
I got-
3CA.
I
Means
got.
you have to add AB plus 2BC minus CA and 2AB minus BC minus CA, and then you have to subtract 4AB plus 5BC minus 3A from the answers. Okay.
Can I answer the question?
Yeah. Tell me.
I got negative 1AB plus negative 2BC minus negative 1CA.
It's 4BC, right? It's minus 4BC. I think there is a minor mistake. Okay, so once check it out. You guys understand the question? Otherwise, I'll tell you. So if you have any problem, then I'll solve. Okay. Any problem?
No.
You have
No.
to add. You have to add first and then subtract from the answer. Okay. So question number 6. The sides of a triangle are. I think you have completed this question in previous class. Okay. The sides of a triangle are 5a minus 3b, comma 3a plus 2b and 5b minus 2a. Find its perimeter.
Six
You
A
have to add
plus
all the
4
three
B.
sides
6a
and
plus
you'll get
4b.
answer.
6A plus 4B.
Yeah, 6a plus 4b. Yeah, right. Okay, question number 7. What happened 5 and 5? I think there is some problem. What happened?
Nothing. I'm just looking at the homework.
Okay, no problem. So tell me question number 7.
3x plus 10y.
Son Y.
Two adjacent sides of a
What? 3x plus 10y?
3x
rectangle
plus 10y.
are 7y and 3y minus x minus perimeter.
6x plus 20y.
It's 6x plus 20y.
That's what I said.
Okay. Everyone has the same answers? Okay,
Yes.
fine. Then we'll move to question number 8.
I didn't.
Subtract. Yeah, what
I
is the
got
problem?
something else. I didn't get the same answer.
Okay, so first one is the sides of rectangle are 4x plus 7y and 3y minus x, and then you have to find perimeter. So you will use formula, that is 2l plus b, and one is your length and second one is your breadth. Then first add the two expression, both expression, and then multiply it by 2. Okay, then you'll get the answer.
Okay.
Okay, so question number 8. Subtract the sum of 3x square plus 2xy minus 2y square and 5y square minus 7xy from 5x square plus 2y square minus 3xy. Means you have to add first two expressions and then subtract it from given expression. Yeah, 5, 3, 5. Tell me.
So the answer to question number 8 is positive 5y squared plus 5x squared minus 8xy.
No, I think you're wrong. Actually, you are wrong. It's 2x square plus 2xy. Yeah, 5 and 5. Tell me. 5, 3, 5. Check it one. Check it once again. Okay, I think there are some mistake. Okay, so do it once again. Yeah, 5 and 5. Tell me.
Is it negative 2xy minus 2x to the second power plus 5y to the second power?
No, it's 2x square plus 2xy minus y square. Any problem?
No.
Okay. Then question number 9. What must be added to 5x cube minus 2x square plus 3x plus 7 to get 7x cube plus 7x minus 5? Means what you add in this first expression to get the final expression. Yeah, tell me. Tell me, 5 and 5.
2x to the third power,
Yeah.
4x plus 2x to the second power minus 12.
Once again, actually your voice is breaking. Okay, let me repeat. It's 2x cube plus 2x square plus 4x minus 12. Okay. What happened 827? Tell me. What is
Yes.
your answer? Tell me what is your answer. Question number 9.
Hello.
Question number 9.
Hello.
Yeah, you're audible. Tell me. Question number 9.
I can't hear you.
I don't can really hear you.
What happened 535?
No, I was just saying that I don't think he can hear you.
Okay. Tell me. Question number 9. 536, you tell me.
12x 3 no 12x to the power of 3 minus 2x squared plus 10x plus 2.
Rejoin. Okay, fine. So, what about question number 10? 5 and 4, what is your answer? Because I think,
For question 9,
yeah. Question 9, tell me.
2x3 plus 2x cubed plus 2x squared plus 4x minus 12.
Yeah, absolutely correct. Okay. So, question number 10. How
E
much is,
plus
yeah,
2 minus 6r.
p plus 7q, right? P
Yes.
plus 7q minus
Ma-
6r. Okay. Okay, correct. Question number 11. I think, okay, fine. No problem. So, we'll discuss question number 12. I think 11, there is some part is missing. So, what about question number 12? How much should 5x cubed plus 3x square minus 2x plus 1 is increased to get 6x square plus 7? Yeah, tell me 5 and 5.
Negative 7ab plus a to the second power plus 7b to the second power minus 5.
One expression is missing, then how you solve the question? Because I think one part is missing in the picture where you get question.
I I think the teacher means for question number 11.
Yeah, Question
Yeah, I
number
couldn't
11.
answer that because I cut.
Yeah. Okay, fine. It's -2, not -5. Okay. So check it once again. Tell me question number 12. Question number 12. Who's going to answer it? 536, tell me question number 12. What is the answer of question number 12?
Do number 12.
Okay, tell me. Okay, so answer is -5x cube plus 3x square plus
I got the
2x
answer,
plus
miss.
6.
I got the answer. Oh man, you already said it.
Okay, you got the answer.
Yeah, I got
Okay.
minus 5x cubed plus 5x 5x squared plus 2x plus 6.
Check it once again. It will 3x square, not 5x square. It will 3x square. Okay.
Oh. No, I have 3x squared.
Wait,
Minus
miss.
5x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 6.
Check it once again. Maybe you're right, wrong expression. Maybe. So
Okay.
check question. Yeah, 535.
Didn't really hear you.
What happened?
Can you repeat the answer to question?
Yeah. Okay. Question number 12. It's -5x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 6.
Okay.
I got the same answer.
Okay, very good. So, question number 13 is subtract the sum of 12ab minus 10b square minus 18a square and 9ab plus 12b square plus 14a square from the sum ab plus 2b square and 3b square minus a square. Yeah, 8 to 8. Tell me.
Uh, 22ab plus 7b square minus 5a.
No. It's 3a square minus. Yeah, 535. Tell me.
I'm not sure if that is correct, but I think the answer is plus 14b squared plus 10a squared plus 3ab.
No, it's 3a square minus 2ab plus 3b square. You have to subtract the sum of,
Can you repeat the answer?
yeah, it's 3a square minus 20ab plus 3b square. Then question number 14 is when a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 0 and c is equal to -2, find the values of. So tell me what is the value of question number 1?
I don't know.
-18.
Yeah, 8 to 8, tell me. I'm trying to say something.
I think it's yeah, what 575 said negative.
Negative?
Same thing what 575 said.
-18.
579 and 815. Just mute yourself because I think.
Sorry.
815. Okay, fine.
Oh,
Okay. Yeah, 828. Now, tell me the answer. What is the value
I said
of question number 1? First, unmute yourself and then.
the value of question number 1 is I don't know.
Yeah. Then why you put your hands up and say.
I remember the word, but I just forgot it.
Okay, fine. Anyone else? Yeah, 5 and 5. Tell me.
Negative 18.
Yeah, negative 18. And what about question number 2? It's a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. What is the value of this
Wait,
when a is equal to?
which question are you guys asked?
Question number 14, part number 2.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, tell me. Tell me.
19.
Yeah, it's 19. Okay. So last question is question number 15. Write the algebraic expression for the nth term of the number pattern.
X plus 10?
Yeah.
X
Yeah,
plus 10?
536.
Ew.
536, tell me.
Wait, so the order is 13, 23, 33, 43. The next order would be 53, 63, 73, and 83, 93, and so on.
Yeah, 5 and 5, tell me.
It's
X plus 10.
Yeah.
X plus 10.
X plus 10. No. I think this one is new for you because
I thought it was X
leave
plus
this
10.
question. Leave this question. In this question, you have to take natural number. Okay. So natural number is n. Then you will multiply. You can see that the first terms are 13, 23, 33, 43. So you
So the
have to take a
next
natural number,
would
then
be
multiply it.
53, 63.
Yeah, very good.
Wait, so
So you have to take natural numbers and then multiply it by 10 and add 3. Okay. So the expression will be 10 into n, 10 into n plus 3. Okay. Where n is natural numbers. Okay. So now we'll move to the next chapter, next topic. So from today we are going to start equation and inequalities. Okay. So first we, 1 second. Today we just take an overview and from Monday we will start. Okay. So your topic number 4, represent and solve equation and inequalities. Okay. So from here you will solve equation and then inequalities. Okay. So before starting, what can you tell me what is linear equation? Can anyone tell me what is linear equation?
Can you say that again?
Linear equation. Linear equation.
Linear?
Equation.
Numerator
equation?
numeric equation.
Yeah.
I can't hear what you're saying.
Okay. So what is linear equation? Okay.
Linear?
Before equation. Okay, no problem. I'll tell you. Okay, no problem. 828, open your camera. 828, open your camera. An equation containing only one variable. Okay, an equation containing only one variable with highest. Yeah,
teacher,
8 to 7. What happened?
my brother went to the bathroom.
Okay. Okay, an equation containing only one variable with highest power 1 is called linear equation. Okay.
Can you spell that? I don't know what you mean by linear.
Okay, one second, let me share a screen. Okay.
Oh, come on. I'll give it back. Okay, Mom.
Eight one five. What are you doing?
Taking a picture of my homework.
Okay, you can do it after class.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you like? How do you spell linear? Linear, like, I don't know.
Any expression. Okay, any expression which have only one variable. Okay, any expression which have only one variable with highest power 1. Okay, so if a expression is written like 5x plus 3, then you can call it linear expression because it has only one variable and its highest power is 1. Okay, so you can call it a
5x
linear
plus 5x plus
variable.
3x, 8x.
If a question is written like 5x square plus 3y minus 2, so is it a linear expression?
No,
No.
Very good.
no,
It is not a linear expression
because
because it has two variable. It has
Variables.
two
It has to have
it,
one
variable and
it
variable.
power.
only has a it should only have one variable.
One variable.
Yeah,
Yeah, as much
exactly. I think you guys understand what is linear variable. Okay, linear equation. Linear equation.
I just have one question.
What happened?
What if it's the equation's like 5x to the negative second power or something? Because then like
when this case of second power came, then you simply say no, it is not a linear expression because it has only a single variable with highest power 1. Its highest power will always be 1. Yeah, 815. What
yeah,
happened?
but
So what we're like so what we're doing is like numeric expressions, right?
Yeah, but it is linear equation. Okay, numeric you can call it, but yeah, 575. What happened?
And
What is
can
Just a
what if
second.
it's like
One by one.
5x to the negative second power? It will be less than 1, right?
No,
It says that.
no, no. It is not the case of less than one. It should be one. Okay, it should be one.
Oh,
Sorry.
this teacher.
What happened?
So can I give an example? Like so like an example could be like one x plus 2 plus 5.
X plus 5. Yeah, it can be. Variable should be single, means it should be x, it should be y, it should be z, it should be
So
n, m.
only
It
one.
can be anything, but
It
only
should have,
a single variable. Yeah, it should be one. Okay.
like can you put like a squared or like
No, 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 because it has power 2 and cube has power 3, so it
so
cannot be
it's
linear.
is squared basically a variable? Squared and
X
cube.
square, x is variable,
X is a
square
variable.
is just a power. Okay,
So
it
this
is
is
the
the power.
degree.
Okay.
Okay, okay, fine. So um there are some rules. Okay, there are some rules for solving linear equation, so just write it down. Okay, there are
Okay.
some rules for solving linear equation. Okay, so first point is, just mute yourself. 815, mute yourself, because okay, first point is, we can add the same number, we can add the same number.
Can you do it in the whiteboard?
No, I'm just dictate. Okay, I will dictate and you have to write. Once
Say it
I'll
again.
we can add the same number or expression to the both side of an equation. Means if we have the same number, okay, and same variable, like in both term there are 3x and 3x, then we'll add and write 6x. Okay, so you
could
can
you
add the
repeat the
same.
rule again?
Okay, we can add the same number or expression to both sides of an equation.
Same number and what?
Same number or expression
Or expression.
to both sides of an equation.
Expression.
One second, guys. I think I have to share picture because it is taking too much time.
Sides.
Are you gonna send it in the chat?
What happened?
Are you gonna send the picture in chat?
No. Yeah. One second. Once you'll get, then check. Okay, I'll explain and then we are going to solve some questions. Okay. Will you get the picture?
Yes.
Okay, so open the picture.
Yeah.
So the first rule is we can add the same number or expression to both sides of an equation. Means if there are same numbers in both sides, okay, so you can add. Once you'll solve a question, then your all the doubts will be cleared, okay. So point number 2 is we can subtract the same number or expression from both side of equation, okay. We can multiply, we can divide, okay. Means if you have same numbers, then you can add it, subtract it, multiply it, divide it, okay. And
Okay.
there are some rule for transposition, okay. A term may be transposed from one side of the equation to the other side, but its sign will be changed. Means if in the left hand side it is positive, then when you transfer it in right hand side, then its sign will be negative, okay. Okay, so we are going to solve question, and then your all doubt will be cleared, okay. So let me write the question. The question is solve the following equation, and the equation is question number 1 is 5x 5x minus 3 is equal to 3x plus 5, okay. So according to the rules of solving linear equation, we'll transpose this 3 in this side, okay. So
And the
there
minus sign
is,
to the plus sign.
yeah, very good. 5x is equal to 3x plus 5 plus 3, okay. So it will 8, and you can see there is 5x and there is 3x, then we'll transpose 3x in this side, okay. So it will negative 3x, okay. 5x minus negative 3x is equal to 8, right, is equal to 8. Then you'll get 2x, okay. 2x is equal to 8. Then what is the value for x? Can you tell me?
4.
Yeah, it's 4, because this 2 will transfer here, and when you divide 8 by 2, you'll get 4, okay. So have you understand the question?
Yes.
Yes. Much more clear.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So one more question is, because your time is over. The second one is 3 y minus 1.
What? That says 3.
3y, it's y.
Oh, as a bracket. Sorry.
Yeah, y minus 11. So we'll multiply it in this term, and then we'll solve, okay. So it will 3y minus
3y
minus 3
3y
minus 3 3 into 1 is equal to 1. Y minus 11. Okay, so we'll move y here and 3 this side. Okay, so 3y minus y, okay, and negative 11 plus 3. Okay, so what is the answer?
Okay.
It will 2y
2y. 2y.
and negative 8. Then y is equal to,
-4.
-4.
it's negative 4. Very good. So this is the way you can solve the equation. Okay, linear equation. So anybody have any problem?
No.
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 Okay, so there is no homework for today, but your homework is to revise all the three topics. Okay,
Yes.
means
Okay.
you have to revise rational number as
Rational
as well as numeric and algebraic expression. Okay,
and also the formulas.
Yeah,
what?
formula.
The formulas that we did
Yeah,
last time
yeah,
on
yeah.
Monday.
You have to remember, because on Monday there will be a test and you have to perform very good.
Miss,
Okay.
How
can
will
you
you do 514 and 515? How will you revise?
Me? Did you say 535?
teacher, can you send like all like the homework, because like I don't have all the homework because I joined late.
Okay, so who who will send the homework? All the homework. 5 and 5. I think
I can.
you can help. Okay,
Me too.
he'll help you. Okay. Okay, fine. So be prepared, guys.
Send
I
the
want 100%. Okay.
homework.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Now you may leave.
Wait a second.
Okay.
So I'm
Have a
supposed to help
Bye.
send the
Bye.
homework. Wait a second.
Bye.
yeah.
Miss?
What
I'm
happened?
supposed to help
Yeah.
send the homework, right? I'm supposed to help send the homework.
Yeah. You have to send all the homeworks to 535. Okay. You can share it
But
in
how do
chat
I get
box.
the photos? Like I don't know how to copy the photos.
You could just cut and paste and then send it.
You don't have to. We'll do it. If you don't know how to do it, we could do it. Are you guys going to the park?
Okay. If you have any problem, then they'll help you. Okay.
Okay, I know how to cut and
Okay. No, fine. 828, 827, and 828. I think you guys help. Okay.
Yeah, I'll try.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. Have a good day, guys.
You
I can do
too.
it without
Bye.
help.
To the
I know how to cut and paste. I don't need.
Then are you going to the park?
Can you ask your question in chat box, because your voice is continuously breaking? Okay.
I said I don't need help with
Bye.
that.
Just text me. Okay. Just text me. I'll definitely clear your doubt. Okay. Okay. Fine.